Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace the starter on a 2003 Ford Expedition easy method. First, disconnect the battery, safely jack up the vehicle, and remove the belly pan if present. Unplug the electrical connectors, remove mounting bolts, swap the starter, then torque bolts to factory spec and reconnect wiring. Test by cranking the engine and lower the vehicle only after confirming proper operation. Use hand tools and basic safety gear. Lay out your tools and new starter before you begin to keep the job efficient. Label or photograph electrical connectors so reassembly is straightforward. Work methodically. Remove mounting bolts, support the starter, and avoid straining the wiring harness. Clean mating surfaces and apply a small amount of dielectric grease to terminals for protection. Reinstall in reverse order and torque bolts to specified values for a reliable fit and safe operation. Start with the battery disconnected and the vehicle supported on stands for safety. Unplug the small control wire and the large battery cable, then remove starter mounting bolts while supporting the unit. Compare the old and new starters for matching terminals and mounting points before installation. Reinstall the starter, torque bolts to spec, reconnect wires, and ensure all heat shields and panels are replaced. Reconnect the battery and perform a crank test to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.